some visit all special guests come to visit us. We have to some like a souvenir, but it's a special gift from Timor Leste. That's why here she is Maria Gonçalves is a human resource manager here, Timor Leste, and also Mrs. Isabelita is a coordinator of TV Timor Leste, yeah. And myself, Mr. Abraham, as a visit manager. So, Mr. Jacob, please hang the gift.
It was a great honor for us.
Sefi. Yeah, this is right down here, Timor Post.
Oh, okay, okay.
Timor Post.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. This me.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
And the next, Mr. Lisibo.
Oh,
Manalita.
also for me.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, is Timor Leste, right? Timor Leste. Yeah.
Thank you. Very, very good. Very delicate.
Thank you so much.
And Mr. I forgot the name.
Mr. Chen.
Chen, yeah, you.
Mr. Chen.
Maybe just myself.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome. And the next, Mr.
Wayan.
Yeah.
Mr. Wayan sekarang Batam.
Yeah.
Iya. Kan malu di Indonesia.
Yeah. Dari Indonesia.
From Bali.
Bali.
Oh, Bali.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Selamat datang.
Terima kasih.
Have a seat now.
Yeah.
Take a place.
Thank you. We're very honored to visit Timor Post. It's very important media here. And let me briefly introduce Xinhua for a little bit. Xinhua is China's national news agency, also China's largest news organization. And we were founded in 1931. Yeah, 1931. So Xinhua is already 94 years old. Yeah. So
Long time.
a long time. Yeah.
Okay. Saya siente honrado kami dari visita Timor Post.
First time.
Visita pada la colonia. No será agência
Xinhua.
Xinhua means New China.
Oh, New
New
China.
China,
Oh, yeah. Pusi agência Xinhua, New China, China Phone. Nabesir hari iha tinang what year?
1931.
Oh,
1931.
tinang reunidas at siya tumurasing ida.
1931.
Wow.
We have more than 180 bureaus overseas in more than 100 countries.
100 countries.
Yeah, more than 100 countries.
Around the world.
Around the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agora sira iha serninya
100 lebih.
Iya. 100,000. 100.
Yeah. So in total, we have 12,000 staff worldwide.
How much?
12,000.
12,000
Yeah,
12,000.
12,000.
staff.
Yeah, staff.
It's a big company.
Yeah. It's
Maybe compare
It's really
Timor
big.
Post is smaller, right? Smallest. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're very important here.
Yeah.
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 Thank you.
And our Jakarta bureau, we are from Jakarta.
Yeah.
Oh,
Our Jakarta bureau was founded in 1952.
Seru
1952.
Ya, seru
Also
sih
long.
Jakarta.
Yeah, Biro Jakarta.
Yeah.
Biro Jakarta ni. Ada hari ya.
Been in Indonesia for more than 60 years. Almost. Yeah, 70 years. 70 years.
70 years.
Yeah.
Right.
So, and Jakarta bureau is now a regional hub for ASEAN. It's a regional hub. So our bureau also, responsible for covering events in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, and Timor Leste.
Timor Leste.
Yes, so it's a regional hub.
Iya, sira
We also have bureaus in Singapore, Malaysia, and Brunei. But so far we don't have staff here.
International, yeah.
Yeah, we don't have staff in.
We hope so.
yeah.
We will have standard
Yeah.
in the
We
future.
can have future cooperation.
Yeah. Ya, Sirmos y hacer biru ya Brunei, ya Malaysia, Singapore, ya Timor Leste masih besar, masih espera kata.
In our Jakarta bureau, we have 9 Chinese staff. Yeah, and 12 Indonesia.
Oh,
Yeah. In cooperation with Antara, Indonesia's national news agency.
Ya, Sirmos ya coberturamos di Indonesia. Kalau tambah Sirmos bersama untuk berita antara Indonesia.
And websites. So we want to have more cooperation with our partners here also.
Ya, Indonesia. Ya, Indonesia Sirmos kalau kolaborasi
What media?
constructor from China.
Interpretando a fazer, mas espera cooperação entendeu? Ele tudo está nos está fazendo ele internacional.
Yeah, he said that he thanks to work for us and also he is so excited for the planning in the future. We hope so that it will be implemented in the future.
Yeah.
What we were talking about. Yeah, between Timor Post and also Xinhua
Yeah.
News Agency. Yeah.
Normally, when they're visiting, we can sign the agreement.
Yeah, sa babae na ito, nagbibigay ko doon sila sa... Di ba ito po?
All kinds of contents, text story, video, photo. We are China's leaders. And like political, just like comprehensive. People thought Xinhua Meiru just as very similar to this one. But we have also China's worldwide.
Circuito jornal.
Kam simpe mikata hafalizata.
Oh.
Yeah. Kam.
Okay.
And also, so just one page here,
Okay.
but sometimes under 2 pages,
Okay.
but many times.
Okay.
We share with you the latest exciting endeavors of people across the world for peace and China's state news agency and largest multimedia news organization and one of the top-notch think tanks in China. Xinhua and 182 overseas bureaus across 143 countries and regions with more.
With the logo Xinhua Pak.
Logo ya.
Okay. Thank you.
Sim.
Okay.
Janela informação ba emohoto atau tem informação atual dia kliu kita haluha hane yang botão subscribe like halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.